violence would be here if rap wasn't here anyway. You know, it's an individual. I think it is a person.
Right guys, welcome back to our channel. As you've seen, we've got the E30 on our channel today. This is the owner of Wes. He also owns unique number plates. I'm going to go a little bit more into detail on what they do now, so hang around and we'll get back to the video shortly.
This is probably the realest shit I ever wrote. Posted on the block like a high rise. John said he's down to get this guap, I told him likewise. I'ma leave the trap when the time's right, but right now put these Zeds to bed, I told him night night. The BBC, they want me back, just let me find time. Cause I'm reaching for these fiends like a high five. Ain't no one-on-ones, I'm talking 5-5s. Now I'ma give you my life and what my life's like. Shot into the food's gone. Used to be stood up in the stairs all day, fam, I swear I wouldn't move once. Everybody's getting sucked, fam, I wonder why. Gotta keep it moving like the London Eye. About to link a shoot for 100 light. I had to light up the zoo because it stunk of shy. People say that when it's true it makes better music, but just to get it off my chest I find it therapeutic. Cause niggas chat shit most of the time. Hear them talking about these kitties that ain't calling the line. I done splashed thousands on a timepiece, and more time I still check my phone for the time I spent my hours working.
So unique number plates in Bradford. They've got this store on Thornton Road, and then they've got their flagship store, which is on Manchester Road. Now these guys have been in the plate game for well over 30 years, so they literally do everything to do with plates, whether it's your 4D, 3D plates, resin plates. They've got short plates, tinted plates, literally whatever you can think of to do with plates, they do it. And not only do they make plates, but they've got a massive selection of private plates which are for sale, which they've been collecting over the years. These guys really do everything to do with plates. They also do show plates and business plates, which you can get fully customized however you like. Now really get yourself down to the store, because some of the unique stuff they have in there, it really shows why they are the best in the game. And also, if you want to make an order, get onto their website. It's www.4dplates.uk. But that's enough with that. Let's get straight back into the video, guys. Right guys, so we're going through Manchester for a little drive. I introduced you to Wes before, but we went into his business side of things. Wes is 21 now. This was his first car. Now it's shocking that this was his first car at 18, because you wouldn't expect a teenager, to want a car like this. You'd expect him to be in a Golf R or an SC or something like that, and the standard he's got this car up to, like, we've been in this car for the past 3 hours now, 3-4 hours, and the way it rides, the way like it just drives about town, the smoothness on it, like for a 30-year-old car you wouldn't expect it to be this smooth, especially with it being on lowering springs, BBSs. I mean, it just doesn't feel as old as it actually is. It's got a few little refinements in it, like the Bluetooth and the speaker system being upgraded and stuff, and it does help because you daily it, don't you?
I do daily it, yeah.
He dailies an E30 convertible looking like this, looking like he's just come out paid in full.
Oh, I'm broke, baby. I ain't got no money. Bullshit. I see you shining, nigga. I can smell a motherfucker with money. Even Ray Charles can see you got money.
He looks like he's a drug dealer from the 80s. But yeah, why don't you give us a bit more insight on the full restoration and the build and everything you've done?
Yeah, so I'm 21 now. Started on it when I was 18. my dad was the last owner, and he basically parked it up because it was giving him too many problems. So it's been parked up about 9 years of his life, which obviously made it gather a lot of rust.
That's what BMWs are known for, isn't it?
All the rubber seals were all shot. A lot of stuff was wrong with the car when I first took it out. Didn't feel like driving it, to be honest with you.
Especially for your first car, didn't it?
Yeah, especially for my first car.
Like, what made you even want to go for this anyway, though? Like,
To be honest with you, I grew up with this car, so I remember what it was like when I was younger.
yeah,
And plus, my
back
dad
in his
himself,
heyday, innit?
my dad himself always wanted the car to be to this spec, so I thought I'd make it happen.
So the cream leathers, the gold BBSs, the exhaust system, all that. So this is basically, you fulfilled your dad's dream, innit?
More or
Your
less.
dream
Yeah.
spec. And you did it at 18, yeah?
Did it at 18.
That's a big thing, man.
It took about a year and a half to do, so.
Yeah, but still.
But yeah, I had two options. I could have gone and bought a new car, first car, whatever. Done all my boy racer modifications to it. Pulled up to BMC car meet.
You know what time it is.
Started revving it.
Big Ali's car meets
Or I
and
could
that.
have done this up. So I'm just going to run through what I've done so far to the car. First thing I did was put a new engine in it. The original engine, I didn't know much about cars and BMWs at that moment in time.
So it's a 318, innit? At the minute.
318, yes, M40 B80.
So it's a 1.8.
So I found a good one on eBay. It's quite cheap. Got it shipped over straight to the garage.
Yeah.
Which baby put it in for me. Did a good job on it.
Shout out, baby.
Took his time, but he did a good job.
Got there in the end, innit?
When I first gave him the car, he goes to me, give me 1 week, I'll have it all done. And 2 months later, I was still ringing him saying, where's my car gone?
It's typical mechanics for you, though, that, innit?
But yeah, so first thing I did was drop the engine in it. Then what I did was, there was a lot of stuff to fix. I mean, the steering was all over the place. The bearings were all gone. Brake pads, discs, they were all shot. The exhaust was all rusty and dangling. A lot of the suspension was not up to its standard.
You got a decal on there now, haven't you?
Now I've got a decal on it, yeah. The Scorpion back box.
Scorpion back box,
So,
decal.
yeah, travelled all over England to get parts for the
Yeah,
car.
it don't sound bad, to be fair, even though it's 1.8.
Yeah, it sounds nice. It's not very fast, but it sounds nice.
Yeah, but I mean, like in a car like this, you don't want it to be fast. It's just
Yeah.
cruising, isn't it? Summer's day, top down.
Plus the insurance isn't too bad, so. Then after my engine, and I did all the mechanical side of stuff, got the car running min,
Yeah.
gave it into the body shop. During that time in the body shop, oh yeah, he said to me 2 months as well. See the car for 6
It's a bit of a
months.
trend here, isn't it?
But yeah, he did a good job on the bodywork as well. I've got, I had to get some welding done, back arches, the back panel of the car, which the bumper attaches to. I had to get that all done.
Yeah, that's typical with BMWs, though, isn't it, man? There's
Yeah,
always
I had a lot
rust
of rust on
everywhere.
it.
Like you've probably seen our E38 build. If you haven't, I'm dropping a link now. Click it. We did a full restoration on that as well. I mean, it wasn't as big as restoration as OS has done on this, but it just gives you a little insight of how much work actually goes into cars like this. And me doing that job on that, I can appreciate this a bit more because I know how much work and effort must have gone into this to get it up to the standard it is right now. Like, I mean, it's got this full white interior. Look, it's like white, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's been fully retrimmed. It's got new steering wheel. The interior is immaculate, and for a 30-year-old car, like, you wouldn't expect it to be in this condition.
Yeah, so when I gave it into the body shop, I started collecting all the parts. Bought the new interior, got all the door cards retrimmed. Cartel Customs retrimmed the door cards for them.
Big up, Billy.
The leather I bought, the seats, they were from down London sides.
So
Right
what
there.
what
changed all my door speakers, which were all old and nasty.
Yeah, because it's got a system in the back now, innit, as well.
No,
So it's got upgrade speakers, you've got upgrade Alpine head unit. Is it Alpine?
yeah.
Alpine head unit. We've got a full sub and amp system from Bradford Modified Club, Mo Ali.
Yeah.
Shout out to him.
12-inch sub he put in for me.
So we've got that bass kicking now.
You can't play. Fortunately.
Little copyright issue on that.
Yeah. So then once I got the car out, there was still a couple of stuff to do on it, like the plastic trims. They were a bit loose.
Yeah.
So I had to get loads of little nitty parts from dealers to get all that fixed up. Minor little electrical issues, lights inside, all that sort of stuff. All like adding up, took time, so it was never really fully complete. Right now,
would you say it's fully complete now, or?
well, it's 95% of the way there.
Yeah.
But there's always something to do on it.
What would you say you need to do on it still?
I've got a new front lip, extended lip splitter.
Oh, yeah.
That needs putting on. A couple other stuff like my dashboard light stopped working. Need to get that all fixed up. My handbrake's a bit rubbish at the moment. And another thing I need to do is sort my electrical hood out. So yeah, it came with electric hood from factory.
So at the minute you're doing it manually, aren't you?
Yeah, they give you a lot of problems, but it's one of them things that add to the cool factor of just pressing the button, coming on and off.
100%.
Yeah, and the final thing I want to do is drop a nice engine in it.
Yeah, we were talking about that. I think V80, isn't it?
V8, yeah. V8 or a B58.
B58, yeah. B58 in this. I don't think I haven't seen that done, to be fair yet.
No, nobody's done it yet. There's been a couple of people speaking about it on the E30 groups, and
Yeah.
it's just got a lot of new wiring and electricals that.
Yeah, the ECU is different and everything is going to be a completely different system.
I chose to daily it because I'm just going to get enough of the car, to be honest with you. I mean, everywhere I go, I get
Yeah, but how can you do this car, man? It gets bare, it gets a lot of attention, man. Like everywhere you go, it turns heads, you're getting compliments. And speaking about how much attention it gets, this car's actually been, what is it, featured in Burberry or?
Burberry, yeah.
So the car, Burberry actually reached out and it's featured in one of their magazines, so you'll see that soon.
Flashbacks of ascots, mad packs at trap locks. Now all of these racks look like man's whacked the jackpot. See, I can do this for fun, cause I love writing. All this light in the kitchen like the sun's rising. I could tell you about that prison that I done time in. Feds wanting me to rot in there, eating cold porridge like I took it off a mummy bear. Touch road on it like, nigga, there's a crop in there. Brother, everybody's
I bro, fucking same car is that.
You like it, yeah?
Fucking beautiful.
Oh man, it's his actually.
1.8, yeah.
Yeah, 1.8 man.
That's just the what horsepower? Like what?
About 700.
Like what? 180, something like that. It's on quite low.
Yeah. Like it, yeah?
You know a lot about your car, don't you?
Innit?
Yeah, I work from Canal Road. Land Rover.
Oh no way. Mad.
Land Rover chilling.
What's your name?
Gabriel. My
No, he's lying to you. It's 800 brake. Yeah. So I time to rev it. Rev it, aye?
Listen,
Come on. Come on, lad. Why did you rev it? Yeah, I'm gonna do that in a minute. Top one, bro. And then I mean, like, for your business, unique plates. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I only know about him and unique plates because of this guy.
There you go. Yeah.
And I'm in the car scene, so I should have known about him before that.
Yeah.
But it's it's like it's almost a branding sort of tool, isn't it?
Yeah, a lot of people don't know this car through me. They know the car through the business.
Yeah.
Should also say they know the business through the car.
Nah, but it's good because it gets your name out there as well, isn't it?
I mean, I've got millions of stories to tell about people pulling up next to me and the stuff they say. You know, I had one guy once say to me, I was driving past him, he just put his head out the window and said, "Oh, Tupac got shot in that car."
Tupac got shot by a car.
I know.
Shit. Now, if you watch the movie Paid in Full, you'll probably recognise this car because that's the one most people
Yeah,
link it with, innit? Reference it to.
A lot of old rap videos have got this car in it.
But saying that, a lot of new rap videos have got them in as well. It's become a bit of a...
bookings on the car. I've actually done 2 rap videos. No one's special.
Yeah.
I've done a couple of photo shoots. A lot of these...
I mean, one of 50 Cent's, well, it's not his latest, later
his
videos.
last song,
He had the Saab 900 and he had a few E30s and stuff in it, didn't he?
Yeah.
So they are becoming a bit of a trend again, but...
Coming back into fashion.
Yeah.
Going up in price as well. Which is a good sign for me because I put a lot of money into the car.
Yeah, you'll finally get back a bit, which you're never going to sell it.
Yeah,
to be fair,
personally,
innit?
I wouldn't get it in this car.
Yeah, it's got too much history behind it, I'd say.
Good sentimental value to myself.
100%. And you can probably pass it down to your kids eventually.
Inshallah.
Maybe they can do the V8.
Maybe they can do the VS. Oh, electric.
So yeah, I rate you for this build, man. Like, not many people your age would go and do something like this. Like I said before, it's all about having a fast car now, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like, this car is what like the car scene represents. It's got a story to it. You've gone and fulfilled your dad's dream and your dream as a kid, and you built something special in it. Like, this stands out on the road, man. It shows that you got character. It's like, it represents you in a way, innit? Whereas anyone can go get a Golf fast, slap them up on it and have 400 or 500 brake horsepower. But yeah, man, rated for that.
Don't get me wrong, I'd love to buy a Golf. I don't Yeah, but I don't know, I'm just happy now I've got a little cruiser.
Yeah.
Soon enough I'll probably be using it as a weekend car. But it's been a fun daily for the past 2 years.
That's the thing, innit? You've got the enjoyment out of it as well.
Yeah, 100%. When it comes to being 18 and looking for a car, there's not much you can get on Jordan really, is there?
Yeah.
What are you going to get? A Corsa 1.4 or a Polo or something like that?
Yeah, 100%. So this is something definitely different, man.
There you go.
But
For example, when I was 18, 19,
yeah,
what were my mates buying? They were buying the Golfs and the Leons and the Corsas. But my focus was this. I mean, don't get me wrong, they called me idiot.
you are an idiot.
Might be an idiot.
They were,
But in my
yeah.
eyes, it was well worth it.
No, 100% it was worth it, man. And as you've seen in the video today, how good it looks and the road presence, and it's just something special, and it really has paid off. But that's all we've got time for today. Obviously we've linked his plate business down below, so make sure you check them out. They've got an online shop as well, so head over to the website.
Yeah, we do all sort of plates, 3D, 4D, private move plates, whatever you've ever seen on a car,
They
we
can do it. And if you haven't seen it on the car, they can still do it. So get at 'em. But we hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Thanks to us for giving us the opportunity to record the video.
Come for a drive with us. We're just heading to Saddleworth right now. Anybody want to turn up?
We'll take you on a cruise.
I'm not in the race yet because I won't get far.
We ain't got that kind of power.
But
But
we'll
just,
definitely drive.
we'll go out in style, innit? But again, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.